How to enable Venmo Purchase Protection in app. Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to enable Venmo Purchase Protection directly in the app. This feature helps safeguard your payments when buying goods or services. Begin by opening the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged in to your account before proceeding. To get started, tap the Pay or Request button. Then select the person or business you're making a payment to. Now enter the payment amount and include a short note describing what the payment is for example, a shoes or art commission. Underneath the notes section, you'll see an option labeled Turn On for Purchases. Tap the toggle switch to enable purchase protection for this payment. Before submitting the payment, review all details, including the amount and recipient. Once everything looks correct and purchase protection is turned on, tap Pay. You'll receive a confirmation once the payment is completed. Since purchase protection was enabled, you're now covered under Venmo's policy if anything goes wrong with the purchase.